Welcome back, everyone. I do hope you have been doing well. Well, I thought this would be an opportune time to show you exactly how much money I have made from YouTube. One of the most common questions that I get asked as a content creator is how much do you make per month? How much do you make per year doing YouTube? How much do you make making videos? And the reason why this is the perfect time to do it is because it has been exactly almost 1 year to the day that I have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to monetize your videos and make good, cold, hard cash from simply making content from the comfort of my own home. So let's get started. But before we do, as always, make sure you guys do a couple things for me. I would appreciate it greatly. I love all of you, and I am so grateful for all of your support. If you could just go ahead and smash the like button, I would greatly appreciate that. It's totally free to do. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Click that big red button and the notification bell as well. That little bell will just notify you each and every time we do post a brand new update or video, or even go live right here on this channel. So make sure you do those couple things for me. Now that you've done those, we can get started and dive right in. So first, we'll look at the email and the date here. This was the email telling me and congratulating me that I was accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Here it is. Title: congratulations, you've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. This was on Wednesday, July 15th, 2020 at 12:05 a.m. in the morning. And you get a nice little email here from YouTube congratulating me and the fact that my channel, Logan Cohn, which is also my name, of course, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. And you could start earning dollars from your videos. You could start monetizing them. You just tick a little button, and that setting will allow you to actually place ads in the beginning or even in the middle or even at the end of your videos, along with different types of banner ads and click ads on the sides, and those all help you earn from YouTube. But it's not just ad revenue, there's also YouTube Premium revenue, if you did not know. That's basically when someone has YouTube Premium, where it's a paid service where you could watch the videos without ads. And every time someone views my content using the paid premium YouTube version, I also get some money from that. That's a whole breakdown of how that works. And then there's also transaction revenue. That's essentially when someone tips me on a live video, and basically I get a percentage, a portion of that tip. YouTube takes some of it, I get the rest. And then I recently introduced a couple months ago my channel membership, and that allows you to actually just get some badges next to your name and enjoy some perks and some community posts. And I introduced that a few months ago, and we had some people actually join that, so I did get some revenue from that as well. And of course, on top of that, there's also revenue that you can earn from your own products if you have anything to market, or your affiliate links. So as always, in the description of these videos and all my videos, I always leave my Webull and Robinhood affiliate links where you can actually join and get some free stocks. So if you'd like to do that, feel free to do that at the end of this video. When you click those links, like to get some free stocks, some valued up to thousands of dollars in some cases. And these stocks are totally free. You don't have to pay for them. They're totally free, no gimmicks, no sales pitch, and you get some free stocks, I get some free stocks. It's a win-win scenario. So if you'd like to take advantage of that, be sure to do that at the end of this video. How much you make on YouTube greatly varies on so many different factors, from what kind of niche your channel is, how often you post your videos, how many views your videos are getting, how long people are watching those videos and engaging with them. There's so many different factors that go into how much you make on YouTube, but certainly you could make a lot of money, but you could also make very little money as well, depending on your niche and your CPM, essentially how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views, your cost per mil. So many different factors, but particularly in the finance and investing niche, in this sort of niche, you're going to see a higher CPM, which does mean more money for me, for my ad revenue. So someone that's in a totally different niche could get even more views than me, but actually make less than me because of my niche. So that's certainly something to consider if you are thinking about making videos and becoming a content creator on YouTube. It's a roller coaster, it's up and down. Some months are good, some months are bad. Some months I definitely make more than others. And sometimes all you really need is just one or two big videos that go semi-viral. They don't have to get millions of views. They can just get a handful of thousands of views, and that could bring you a decent amount of cash. So it all depends on so many different factors and how often you're posting and how much effort that you're putting into it. Granted, as I did announce last year when I became accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, I built the studio. So we were always just doing it in front of a white wall years ago. That was my background the entire time. But then I decided to invest in this studio, and I do believe it was a good investment, as I only had to buy it once. It's not something you have to maintain like a house or something. And we've been covering real estate recently because I recently bought my first rental property. So kind of comparing the two here, investing in the studio, investing in real estate, kind of the same thing. But, you know, this mic, the camera, and the props on this table, and the background, it certainly cost some money. It wasn't cheap. I put a couple grand into the studio, but it was a one-time deal, and I do believe it was well worth it. So, the moment that we have all been waiting for, let's take a look at my monthly revenue from YouTube, how much I have made since that email came in on that July 15th morning. Let's take a look now. Now, we'll start with the first month of YouTube, and that wasn't necessarily a full month of YouTube because I didn't actually become monetized until around the middle of the month. So you can't really count that entire full month, but it wasn't bad. Wasn't bad for my first couple of weeks. It wasn't nothing. I made a pretty decent amount. It was $63.19. Now, that certainly doesn't seem like something worth it to so many people, right? You wouldn't want to put all this effort, all this time into making these videos. I film them, I come up with the ideas, I edit them, I upload them, all that just for a meager 63 and change. Well, let's take a look at the next month. It was certainly a lot better. I actually more than doubled right there. That was $136.49 for the month of August. Not terrible. We're getting better. The month of September 2020, it increased once again to $148.17 for the entire month. Then October, that has 31 days, so granted, you can add an extra day there. There was $161.20 brought in revenue in the month of October. Dip a little bit in November, $157.42. Now here's where it gets interesting. In the month of December, we had some videos start to really take off. December, January, this is when my channel really started to exponentially grow. I would even call an explosion. You can call it that. And that's where we jumped from November of doing about $160 to December, $2,040.19. All profit. That is the revenue that I brought in. For many people, that is a month's salary, not even. And that was from the comfort of my own home right here on YouTube. Granted, at this point, I was doing daily uploads, putting a lot of effort into it. Then January was just about the same. We brought in about another $2,000. We did $1,965.77. Pretty good. We did see a dip for the month of February. It dropped below $1,000 to $959.42. Still decent in my opinion. The month of March, it shot up right once again, and we actually saw $1,687.05 in revenue. Then here's where it started to dip a little bit, and in the month of April, we did $476.63. May, uptick, we had $527.17 brought in. Now, just recently, the month of June, $241.41. That is the paycheck that I just received from YouTube because they pay you on the 21st of the next month from the month prior. So I just received the month of June's paycheck just today. Then the month of July, and this is not the complete month because the month has not finished off yet, but you can round it up a little bit. We brought in $154.50. Again, it's up and down. You just never know, and it all depends on how much effort you're putting in, how crazy you're going with the content. So it certainly varies. There is no one set number. It's very volatile. I would never depend on this income as a source of income. Sometimes it could be coffee money. Sometimes it could be dinner money, you know? So it really all depends on the month. It could really vary, and in some sense, there is some luck to it, right? You just can't control all the factors. You can't control the YouTube algorithm. You just can't control. I can make a video, and it could get, say, 1,000 views, but that's very same video, the very same topic, the very same kind of video could get 20,000 views, 40,000 views. So totally random. There's only so much you can control. What you can control is your effort, what you put in, how much content you're making, how much you're making every single week. That is what you can control, your effort and the quality of the video, or the topic of the video. There are factors you can control, but some things you just can't. Now, the vast majority of the money that we just showed you was from ad revenue. That was money from people without YouTube Premium watching the content from any device, anywhere in the world. That is the vast, vast majority, 99.99%. But then you do have a couple bucks here and there from the premium and the transaction revenue, and that's all factored into the total revenues that I just showed you. And so it's really not much. It's a few dollars here and there. But that segues us into the total estimated revenue since that fateful day of when I got monetized. Exactly 1 year worth of revenue. How much have I made since then? Let's take a look at the total now. Since the day I became monetized on YouTube, I have made exactly net $8,718.59 from making videos on YouTube, sitting right here. Doesn't seem like much, and the effort that you put in certainly doesn't seem like a ROI positive thing. It doesn't seem like a lucrative investment for many people. They could put that same amount of time into something completely else and get a much bigger ROI out of it. But of course, I do online business on the side, real estate, and other gigs. So this is certainly some nice additional revenue, and I would never, again, depend on it as a source of income. It's just a nice little side stream of income that I do for fun. And of course, I enjoy making videos for you guys. I love making content for you guys. I love connecting with you. I love talking to you in the comments section, in the community. It is a great thing, and I thoroughly enjoy it. And I appreciate your support so much, because without you guys, I wouldn't have this platform, and I wouldn't be able to do this, and I wouldn't be able to make a nickel from YouTube. If you're a fellow content creator, definitely let me know down below in the comments. I'll be sure to check your channel out, view some of your videos for sure, give a little support to you, because that's what you gave to me. So little gift for you guys. I'll check your videos out and I'll consider subscribing. I do hope you enjoyed this video though. If you'd like to see more content centered around YouTube and the analytics side and the revenue side, I'd be happy to do it for you guys. I'll be happy to make more content like this. Just let me know down below in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, give it a big thumbs up, smash a like button, and if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Click that big red button and the notification bell as well. That will just notify you every single time we do post a brand new video. And if you'd like to get some free stocks, all to me, all free, just use those links down below in the description of this video. When you do go ahead and sign up with Robinhood and or Webull, like I said, you'll get some free stocks, some valued up to thousands of dollars. So let me know what stocks you do get, all free, just for supporting my channel. Use those links down below. And if you want to connect with me on social media, I am on Instagram at Logan Kohn, LoganKohn, right there on your screen. I post there often, so I'll look forward to connecting with you there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Take care for now.